Good morning, students. Today is your first mathematics class in class 6, that is in inspiring B1, B2 and B3. I am Sivasis Sandilya and today's topic of discussion is knowing our numbers. Before we start the class, please note the following. If you have any doubts regarding this period, clear your doubts within this period itself. You can call me and WhatsApp me at the numbers given on your screen. You may pause the screen and note down the numbers if you wish. And also note that if your calls and doubts were not cleared by today, then you can try to clear your doubts and call me during the next mathematics period. Please don't call during other subjects period because you will be busy learning new things in the other subject and I will also be busy with some other class. So the first topic, knowing our numbers. The subtopics in this chapter are number 1, number and number name up to crores in Indian and international system, conversion of number from one system to another system, face value and place value, formation of largest and smallest number using the given digits, arranging numbers in ascending and descending order. So, we will start with the number and number names up to crores in Indian and international system. Okay students, today's topic of discussion was knowing our numbers part 1 and the first subtopic is number and number names up to crores in Indian and international systems. So, what is the Indian and international system? As you have learned in your last year that there are two systems to name a number. One is the Indian, one is the international system. A quick review of what is the difference between the two. Let us consider a number 16293218. In both the Indian and international system, we are considering the same number. In international system, the periods are put after every 3 digits counting from the right hand side. That means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And in Indian system, what happens? The periods are put first after 3 digits, then the subsequent periods are put after 2 digits each. That means 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on. Now, before naming the number, we also have to understand the places of the digits. First of all, let us consider the international system. In international system, the right handmost digit is the ones digit, then comes the second digit which is the tens place, the third digit is in the hundreds place. Okay, then in Indian system also the last 3 digits, that means the first 3 digits from the right hand side is ones, tens and hundreds place. Now first of all, let us discuss the international system. In international system, after 100 comes 1000, then 10,000 and then 100,000. After 100,000 comes a million, and after million comes 10 million. Now, in Indian system, after 100 comes 1000, then 10,000. Up to this point, it is same as the international system. But after 10,000, there is a period. After that period comes the lakhs house. So this is the lakhs house, and after that comes the 10 lakh. And after 10 lakh there is another period, and after that period comes the crores house. So in international system, the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, and after that there will be 100 million, which we will discuss later on in our subsequent classes. And in Indian system, the place values are ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and so on. Now, the number 16293218 in international system will be read as, this is tens, this is 10 million, and this is million. That means it will be 16,293,218. I'm repeating myself. This number will be read as 16,293,218. Now in Indian system, this will be read as 1 crore 62 lakh. Let me start over. In Indian system, the number will be read as 1 crore 62 lakh 93,218. Basically the numbers are same, but they are read in different systems. That is why they sound different. This will be written as, in words, it will be written as 1 crore 62 lakh 93,218. And in international system, the same number will be read as 16,293,218. That covers our first topic, that is number and number names up to crores in Indian and international system. It also basically covers the second subtopic, which is conversion of number from one system to another system. So basically, if you are given a number in one system, you can change it into another system. Let us consider an example to do that. Let us say we are given a number So, since there is a million, then it is clearly a number in the international system. Now, first of all, if the question is asked to convert this number to the Indian system, from the international to the Indian system, first of all, what we will do, we will write this number in figures. How? See, 10 million, then a period 321,000, then a period 102. So this number is now 10,321,102. So this is equal to this. Now the second step will be converting this number into the Indian system. First of all, we will write the number without the periods. 10321,102. Then we will put the periods according to the Indian system, that is 123, 12, 12. Clear? Now, in Indian system, this is the up to hundreds period, this is the thousands period, this is the lakhs period, and this is the crores period. So, in words, this will be read as 1 crore. The 10 lakhs period is blank, that is 0. So this period will only be read as 3 lakhs. 3 lakh. Then comes 21,000, comma. Then the last period, 102. Okay. Now, if you need to do the reverse process, for example, if you are given the number in Indian system and you have to convert it into the million system. Again, let us consider another example. Now I will be converting only figures to figures. You can write down the numbers in words by yourself. Okay. So let us consider 1326219. Now this is in the Indian system. That means a comma comes here and a comma comes here. Now this is equal to how much? 13,26,209. I repeat, 13,26,219. Sorry, 19, not 9. Now, first of all, we will write the number without the commas and then put the commas according to the international system. That means 123, 123, comma. Now this number will be read as 1,326,219. So that basically clears the second point, the second sub point of our discussion of our first unit, conversion of number from one system to another system. Now let us consider the face value and the place value. This is the third point. Let us consider this very number. Now, let us say you are asked to write the place value and face value of 6. First of all, what you will do, you will consider which system the number is in. 3, so it is in the international system. Now, the place value will be the number, and as many digits are there after the number, that many zeros you will put behind it. And the face value is 6 itself. So basically, the place value will be written as the number, then the position in which it is. This is in the thousands place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the place value of 6 in this number is 6000, and the phase value is the number itself, the digit simply. Now this is for 6. Now let us consider the number 3 here. For 3, the place value will be the number and followed by zeros, as many zeros as many digits are there after the number. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There will be 5 zeros. And the phase value will be the number itself. This place is the 100,000 place. So see, here also we are putting it in the 100,000s position, followed by all zeros till the ones place. Now let us consider a number in the Indian system. Say 721936. In Indian system, 123, 12, so what is this number? 7,21,936. I repeat, 7,21,936. So if you are asked to write the place value and phase value of 7, the place value will be 7 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And the phase value will be 7 itself. Okay? Interestingly, if you are given to write the place value and phase value of the last digit, that is in the ones place, here the place value will be 6 followed by as many zeros as there are digits after this 6. There are no digits after 6, so there will be no zeros after 6 in the place value. So the place value will be 6 itself. And the phase value will also be 6. So that basically completes our 3 subtopics from the first unit in Tier 1. In our next class, I'll be discussing some problems and giving you some problems for self-practice. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you, everyone. So our next class will include a quick revision and some problems with their solutions. Please note, if you have any doubts regarding today's period, please try to clear it today itself. You may call me and WhatsApp me on the numbers given on the screen. Pause the screen if necessary, note down my number, give me a call. If your calls and doubts were not cleared by today itself, you can try to clear your doubts in the next mathematics period. Thank you, everyone.